520 Wings. I'm the general manager for the 520 Wings on Bull Street. 520 Wings Espresso Waters. We have 2 food trucks, and we're also inside the End Market Arena. We've been in business for 13 years. The reason behind 520 Wings is the owner's birthday. His birthday is May the 20th. We're not downtown, but we're kind of like Midtown. So we do a lot of stuff within the community. The Jazz Festival is one of the biggest things that we do.
How did y'all expansion get started?
It just started with an idea. He was like, hey, I know how to cook, so let me just start doing things. So he picked the building, which is around the neighborhood that he grew up in, and then he put a location there. And since then, I think we've had a total of like 5 locations. So here we are. Yes.
I see y'all just started one on building one on Water Avenue.
It's already built. It's ready to open. It's waiting on me. But we should have it up and running real soon.
What's your best-selling flavor?
The best-selling flavor would be like our homemade sauces, which is the garlic parmesan, the lemon pepper, hot garlic parmesan. We have Cajun ranch, urban. All those sauces are made in-house.
So in business, everybody might see y'all with the 5 locations. It might take that. It was easy. What is something like wants to speed, wants to improv?
I feel like I've been with the business for 8 years. I've been in business for like 8 years. Will probably be staffing issues, but I'm kind of like equal woman, so I try to do everything.
To get in there.
Hey, guess what? The owner seeked me out, but I also was a general manager for Zaxby's. I was working for Zaxby's for 11 years, and I kind of worked with both of them for like 3 years together, and then I finally left corporate and then came on to. I bought it here. Everything I learned, I bought it right here. Keep your head up, stay in there. It's gonna be, but it looks easy. It looks like, hey, I can just cook wings. It's way more stuff than that. Just make sure you keep your head on straight. Seek advice if you have somebody that you can go to, and talk to them about it and go from there.
Other people start food truck, what would be something like this?
Know that you're gonna have to work yourself. You're not gonna always be able to have a staff. And if you want to save money, work it yourself. Work it yourself.